Continue. Sieve number 4. If while studying, he must step out, he should not leave the Sefer from which he studied open. That's very important. That's what many people do. That's very not proper. For as a result of doing so, he causes his learning to be forgotten. Shach Yoradea, Siman 277.1. So, for example, the person is praying, right? And he needs to go to the bathroom. So you need to go to the bathroom, just remember what page you're on and close the siddur, right? Or you're learning, you need to go get a cup of water, right? So close the Sefer. I mean, if it's closed, this water is very close to you, few steps, okay, you don't have to. But if you need to go somewhere else, you must close the Sefer. Sefer is a book. Okay.